The all-new Škoda Kodiaq, more spacious, functional, and sustainable than ever before. Second generation of the large Škoda SUV boasts powerful appearance, innovative new features, and even more space. Exterior introduces first elements of the new modern solid design language and includes new technologies such as second-generation top LED matrix headlights. New interior concept combines sustainable materials and spacious design with innovative controls such as the new Škoda Smart Dials. Offering the right option for every customer, power outputs from 110 kilowatts, 150 horsepower, to 150 kilowatts, 204 horsepower, and a new plug-in hybrid drivetrain with an electric range of more than 100 kilometers. Taking safety to the next level with many new and improved assistance systems, including the new turn and remote park assists. Interior, combining a spacious design and innovative controls with sustainable materials. Freestanding 13-inch infotainment screen and Premiere for head-up display. Innovative rotary push buttons, smart dials, with integrated digital displays. Fast charging at 45W via USB-C ports or inductive charging at 15W in the phone box. New interior concept with design selections and focus on sustainable materials. Full connectivity, mobile online services, functions on demand, and infotainment apps. Exterior, powerful appearance and first elements of the new modern solid design language. The Kodiaq grows by more than 6 centimeters, offering more space for up to 7 passengers and luggage. Premiere for top LED matrix headlights and front grille with horizontal light strip. Rugged appearance with squared-off wheel arches and solid rear bumper. Improved aerodynamics and increased efficiency. Powertrains, more sustainable than ever with plug-in and mild hybrid technology, a first for the Kodiaq. Plug-in hybrid with an electric range of more than 100 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. Entry-level 1.5 TSI with mild hybrid technology, 2.0 TSI with all-wheel drive. 2 modern and highly efficient diesels complete the engine roster, outputs from 110 kilowatts, 150 horsepower, to 142 kilowatts, 193 horsepower. Safety, new and improved state-of-the-art assistance systems for maximum protection. Škoda's biggest SUV gets numerous assistance systems that are new to this model series. New assistance systems include the turn and remote park assists. A number of existing assistants, such as the side and travel assists, now come with extended functionality. Up to 9 airbags and crew protect assist. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more content.